Some homes impress you the moment you arrive. Others take little time to reveal everything that makes them special. 1575 Earhart Road is one of those homes. Just minutes from downtown Ann Arbor and the University of Michigan sits an authentic stone farmhouse built in 1840. This is not a newer home designed to look old. These are hand-laid stone walls, original soft pine floors, historic wavy glass windows, mature trees, historic outbuildings, and nearly 2 centuries of character that simply cannot be recreated. What makes this property so remarkable is that it offers historic authenticity without asking you to give up the comfort and function expected today. The home has been thoughtfully updated, but never stripped of the details that make it special. The kitchen has been completely redesigned and opened to create a natural heart of the home. It offers the space, storage, and functionality needed for modern living while remaining connected to the historic rooms surrounding it. The bathrooms have been beautifully renovated. The upstairs primary suite has been expanded. A third full bathroom has been added. A new steam boiler was installed in late 2024. Mini split systems provide additional comfort in key areas of the home. And the property was connected to municipal water and sewer in 2025. This is not a home that asks you to choose between history and comfort. It gives you both. Throughout the house, the history is not displayed like a museum. It lives naturally in the architecture. In the living room, the fireplace was handcrafted during the late 1950s, using stones gathered directly from the property. The stones were spread across the floor, studied, matched, and assembled one piece at a time. The finished fireplace feels as though it has always belonged here, because it was quite literally created from the land surrounding the home. In the rear office, an original stone wall was exposed during the latest renovation. That wall once formed part of the exterior of the farmhouse. Near the top, you can still see the roofline of a former woodshed that once stood against it. It's a subtle detail, but once you notice it, the entire room tells a deeper story. That is what makes 1575 Earhart Road so compelling. The home reveals itself slowly. The more time you spend here, the more you begin to understand what makes it different. The property offers approximately 3,549 square feet. There are 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. 2 bedrooms are located on the main level, offering flexibility for guests, home offices, or multi-generational living. 3 additional bedrooms are upstairs, including the expanded primary suite. There are multiple living and gathering spaces, a formal dining room, front and rear office spaces, a full walkout basement, a screened porch, an attached 2-car garage, additional detached garage space, and historic outbuildings that preserve the feeling of the original farmstead. Outside, mature trees frame the property and create a sense of privacy and permanence. The historic outbuildings add character and flexibility. The approximately 1-acre home site offers room to breathe while remaining only minutes from downtown Ann Arbor and the University of Michigan. Additional acreage is available separately. That combination is becoming increasingly difficult to find. What makes this home truly special is not simply its age. It is the way every generation improved it without erasing what made it extraordinary. The original stone remains. The soft pine floors remain. The old glass remains. The family-built fireplace remains. And alongside those historic features are a redesigned kitchen, renovated bathrooms, updated mechanical systems, municipal utilities, and modern climate control. The result feels timeless rather than dated, comfortable rather than preserved, elegant without being overly formal, and completely unlike anything that could be built today. For more than 70 years, this property has remained in the same family. Now, the opportunity is passing to a new owner, someone who appreciates craftsmanship, someone who values authenticity, someone looking for more than another beautiful house, someone looking for a home with a real sense of place, a home with lasting character, a home that has evolved for nearly 2 centuries and is ready for what comes next. 1575 Earhart Road, built in 1840, approximately 3,549 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, an approximately 1-acre home site with additional acreage available separately. A remarkable home, ready for its next chapter.